Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately we do not have to do a lot, all we have to do is to tap on the security app, so let's tap on it and then tap on security scan. Alright, as you can see my warning definitions are old, so I highly recommend to tap on update, but let me simply go back in order to fasten this video. As you saw, our device simply started to scan itself. It scanned apps, paying environment, etc. So basically everything, in order to check any kind of problems, viruses, malware. We've got also two different scenarios which we can see. So the first one, whenever everything is okay, your device will show you that everything looks good, that nothing has been detected. And the second scenario, which you can see right now, that one risk has been detected. In my case, it is system update. So as you can see, it is not only the viruses and malware, but also some sections which may cause some problems and problems with the security. So in my case, I have to tap on update. Whenever your device will find something, you will be able to take some actions. So for example, update something, remove something, etc. So I highly recommend to use this security scan regularly in order to check whether everything is okay. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.